Hello and welcome back to my channel, Trending Nails and Hairs. This is a channel that is giving you the very best in nails and hairs fashion. So if you are seeing this channel for the very first time, or you are yet to subscribe to this channel, please do subscribe and do not forget to turn on your bell notification so that as soon as a new video is dropped in this channel, you will be the first to be notified. Okay, so in this video today I have the best collections on braid styling tips for you, my gorgeous queens. So in order for you not to miss any slide, I urge you to watch from the beginning to the end. Okay, these styles look so good and nice. You can use them to protect your braid hair so that it will last longer for you. So as you watch the video, do not forget to support my channel by liking the video, and you can also share this video to your friends and also to your loved ones, and you can also save it for your later use. Alright, thank you as you do that, and also a big thank you to my returning viewers who are always watching my videos and also engaging in them. Your effort in this channel is never taken for granted. Okay, and in case this is not really what you want, you can go down into my channel to take a look at other videos that are available right there, because I have videos on different nail types and other hair designs. Okay, thank you as you do that. And at the end of this video, please do not forget to go down to the comment section and tell me what you think or what you feel about my video or channel in general. I'll be there to reply you all. Thank you and see you in my next video. Bye for now.